Hello guys, I'm 𝐏𝐻 and I work as a blockchain developer as well as software developer in IT industry. Okay, and this video can be very important for you. Why? Because maybe this is a situation where you are very close to your placements. Okay, and you want to get like placement ready. So what are the things people do or you have to do to get placement ready? Okay, what are the things like you need to do just before your placements? So I'm gonna give my opinion or my way, or you can say like important things. Uh, okay, before starting this video, if you haven't subscribed this YouTube channel, you already know what you need to do. Okay, so as we are talking about your placements, okay, so if you haven't seen this Newton School Pay After Placement program, you can just go and check this also if you are like already worried about your placements and you want to get placement ready as soon as possible. What they will do, they will train you as a full stack developer, and not only this, after that they will also get you placed. Now you can see already where our Newton School alumni are working already. You don't need to pay any upfront fees till you get placed in any of the company for minimum of 5 lakh CTC. Okay, so I guess I have talked much about Newton School Pay After Placement program yet. If you want to know more about it, or if you want to just register for that, you can get the link in description. We are gonna talk about what are the things you can do before your placement. So obviously I'm gonna talk about like IT. If you wanna get placed in IT sector, most thing is there can be two scenarios. You must be like focusing on startups, or you must be focusing on product based companies. Okay, accordingly I'm gonna talk about accordingly. So basically if you are like focusing on startups for role of particularly front end developer or back end developer, in those interviews, if I'll tell you about interviews or rounds like your coding rounds, yeah, online assessments, if I talk about those, uh, you need to prepare the tech stack you have been doing or you are going to give the interview for. Okay, like if you are going for a front end engineer role or front end developer role, you need to like polish your skills of JavaScript particularly. Okay, because there are many chances your OA will be based on JavaScript only. Plus, your interview will be also based on JavaScript. Plus, you can say some frameworks like React or Angular, but chances for those are less. Your interview for front-end engineer must be based on uh, JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. That's it. So you already know what you need to do, like prepare or polish your skills or tech stack, what you have been working on, and vice versa for backend engineer as well. Okay, you need to like revise the backend tech stack. Either you are working on Node, PHP, anything. Okay, just revise that. One more thing, like read about the integration, how things works with front end. Okay, now, second thing can be you mainly focusing on product-based companies, right? So in product-based companies, they don't ask too much development, or you can say front-end or back-end tech stack. They focus mainly on DSA and competitive programming. So you may already heard what I am gonna tell in further video. That is, you need to focus or you need to polish or revise DSA. Okay, now how you're gonna do that? You can watch lectures of DSA, particularly graphs and DP and trees, arrays, linked lists. So main important topics are linked list and graphs. There will uh, be a question of linked list and graphs in your OA or in your interviews. Okay, I'm talking about product-based companies, big companies who hire as a SDE role. So you need to revise DSA. You can do that using GFG also, or you can do that using like YouTube lectures. Okay, just go and find some good lectures of DSA over YouTube and just start revising that. Second thing you can do is CP. So basically, if you are near your placements, okay, and you are mainly preparing for placements, instead of like CF or code chef, ad coder, instead of these, just focus on lead code. Okay, now this statement can be a bit controversial, that I'm telling you to basically focus on lead code, but lead code is basically topic centric, you can say. Okay, so whatever you will be practicing, just make sure you are practicing problems of DSA particularly, like maybe of linked list, maybe of graphs, maybe of DP or trees. Okay, so just focus on practicing CP or competitive programming or DSA questions from lead code. That will help you very much. Plus, you need to like prepare DSA very well. Some more tips can be for your interviews is your basic aptitude skills and your attitude. Like in product-based companies, whoever interviews, whatever interviews I have given already, you can say that your attitude, uh, your attitude and your aptitude matters much. Okay, so just focus on that thing also. So yeah, these were some tips from my side. If you are focusing for getting a job in IT sector, and if you want to know more or if you want to ask something, you can just ask me in comment section. One more thing, if you want a video over some particular topic, you can also paste that topic in the comment section. I'll as soon as possible I'll make a video over that also. Once more, if you haven't checked Newton School Pay After Placement program yet, you can just go to their website or you can just go to the link in description and explore about it, and get registered yourself if you are already near your placements, and or if you are worried about your placements and haven't subscribed this YouTube channel Coding Talkies Newton School, just go subscribe this also and get the most out of it, because I am placing complete CP computer science related content over this YouTube channel. So thank you guys for watching this video.